you this incredible s'more caddy. It has multiple trays and is designed perfectly to hold your s'mores. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So it just opens up and it lays flatly and it's perfect for making s'mores. You put your marshmallows on bottom, you put your graham crackers on bottom, you're supposed to put your roasting sticks in the middle. They give you a little pamphlet to purchase their roasting sticks as well, and then your Hershey's chocolate on top. This is perfect for camping and the easiest way to keep your s'mores organized and ready to go. Check it out with link below for more information and purchase. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Delicious. I got this completely free in exchange for my honest opinion, and I absolutely love this. This is just, it's really well designed. It really is just a good product.
Hold on.
Working hours without rest, wanted me to